We were recently contacted by the company Astercook to test out some of their products. We chose to work with them on testing out, rating, and reviewing their Nonstick Cookware Set. Today is the day that I open it up. It was delivered FedEx. I would assume it all comes FedEx. I'm not 100% sure. But they do have a pretty sweet deal for Black Friday on Amazon right now. So I will share that with you in the description below. This package is really small for a pot and pan set. You would think that there would be a lot more to it than that. Came with some utensils. That's always a plus. Nice quality on that too. Not easy to break. One really unique and neat thing about these is they have the detachable handles. That's why they fit in the box so easily, and they will store easily and take up less space in your cabinets, which is great. It's going to be great if you're an RVer or if you live in a tiny home, small place. The more space you have for other things, the better. They really put in a lot of thought into this package. It came with the pans. It also comes with the pan protectors. All right, we'll get some of the packaging out of the way, and then I'm going to test them out in the kitchen next because I have some things I need to cook for dinner. So these are getting put to the test right away. Okay, morning after review. Love them. I love the handles. It says in the directions to not keep the handles on the pots if you can avoid it. I use these in various cooking instances that you can see. Made a skillet cookie in the oven. Boiled eggs, no problem. Made a stuffing on the stove top. Even used a metal spoon in that pan. No scratches at all. Reheated pasta sauce. And we also made some homemade little smokies. I put these to the test. They cleaned up so easy. No staining, anything like that. One of my favorite parts is it's only going to take up this much space in my cabinet. And that's fantastic. I highly recommend these to any and everyone, especially if you're looking for a new set of pots and pans. They're already at a good price. And now with that Black Friday deal, go ahead and jump on and get you some now.